Guys, let's make this quick and simple garlic butter green beans. Let's get started. Let's melt our butter and then we add our minced garlic. We're using a lot of garlic, guys. This is gonna be delicious. I'm also adding a half of Knorr chicken cube and I'm just making sure it's nicely melted. Our black pepper, you can add some more, guys, if you want. Just my kids doesn't like it too spicy. And now it's time to add our green beans. Look at that, guys. I have a nice green beans right here. So we just mix it or stir it nicely. And now let's add our salt. Just make sure, guys, that you don't put too much salt so it's not salty. So let's mix it again and then we cover and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Wow, this is looking good, guys. So let's finish it with lemon juice, guys. And this is it. Serve and enjoy. I'm going to make this again, guys. This is so delicious. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.